Let's take a look at the advantages of the latest detachable 8K fiber optic HDMI cable compared to a conventional copper HDMI cable. First, we can see that the dimension of copper HDMI cable is 19 mm, while the detachable fiber optic HDMI cable's connector is only 12 mm. Let's measure it using the DN15 conduit. The inner diameter of DN15 conduit is 17 mm only, making the traditional copper HDMI cable connector too large to pass through. On the other hand, the detachable fiber optic HDMI cable's MINI HDMI connector is much smaller and can easily pass through the conduit. Therefore, the detachable fiber optic HDMI cable is the best choice for tight space installations.